Hi! Welcome to hashtag straight poop. I have Ginger as opposed to Marianne. No, actually, this is Peekaboo. We call her Boo Boo. Join us in the kitchen. She'll probably be roaming on the ground, but she doesn't cook. She eats! Just like you and me, poopers. Join us. Hey, I got some uncured bacon here. Made out of turkey. And it's simmering in some cannabis oil. I'm gonna put 10 strips of bacon on my Monte Cristo. Do you know what that is? It's 2 pieces of French toast that are made like French toast, okay? And then they're topped. Some do ham, some don't. I'm doing bacon. And the bread is toasted. And it's not sweet, so there's no cinnamon. There's no cinnamon or sugar or, you know, any typical French toast ingredients, okay? I gotta get that slime off my hands. And we're cooking in cannabis oil. So like I said, I've got 10 slices of turkey, uncured turkey bacon. And I've got 2 pieces of harvest wheat toast, okay? And I doused it in 2 eggs. And now I'm just going to give it a grind. Okay. Now I'm not going to add any salt to this, all right? And the reason being is even though this meat is uncured, it's still got a little bit of salt because it was smoked at the factory over cherry wood, okay? So in that smoking process, you're still going to have to add a little bit of salt, all right? But I'm not going to add any. See how this is looking. Great. Yeah, flip that over. Exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna turn that over. Okay. Give it about 10 more seconds on that side. Yeah. And it's gonna be like a BLT. Okay. Yeah, let that go. And it's gonna sop that up. Of course, you can eat it with your hands. Typically, I eat it with a fork and knife. Okay. Now, I've got a little bit of mustard. And let me just give it a couple glugs. Okay? Yeah. I don't like mayonnaise or Miracle Whip on anything. Okay. If you haven't tried this stuff, you really should. It's really good, man. I was surprised. I bought one brand a few years ago. This brand's Jones. It's made in Wisconsin. Okay. Then, you know what? I'm going to bring that to the plate. And you know what goes really good with this? Couple of nice gherkins. You know, those little pickles, but they're brined and they're kind of sweet. Yeah, I think that would go really well. And make sure you get your free e-cookbook. The graphics take you there. And you go to the comment section and you click on the link at the very top. Yes, Monty Cristo. 2 pieces of French toast, savory style, fried in cannabis oil. I put the bacon in first to do that brown. Get a little bit of that flavor in there too. Grind some pepper. In fact, this deserves another grind. And backed up with little greens if you want to throw it on there. Okay, and the final touch. The tomato. There you go. Monty Cristo, BLT. Grab our free cookbook, 125 barbecue cannabis recipes, 230 pages total. My dog's loving you, having you here, poopers. Thanks for joining us, really. Grab that cookbook. This is another snack that you should also enjoy. Try that uncured turkey bacon, okay? All right, we'll see you next time here on #StraightPoop. If you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Hang loose.